My name is Shanma Negi. I am ServiceNow Certified Technical Architect. Thank you so much for joining me with an interesting topic here. So today I'll be discussing about how is CRM different from S2P and what features does it provide. So first of all, thank you so much to all the organizers who have given me such a great opportunity to speak about this topic here. So I'll start with my topic. Okay, so we'll discuss about today that what is S2P and what is CRM. So before starting the topic, I also have a poll for you, which tells you that do you have any exposure to CRM or S2P on ServiceNow? If yes, please vote against it. Okay, we'll move forward. We'll discuss about what is CRM. So, CRM is a customer relationship management software which is given by ServiceNow, which is majorly, given by ServiceNow to organize, maintain, and relative customer information. So, we also call it that in order to sell any information, we use the CRM. So, gives marketer and sales professionals an up-to-date and professional information about the customers so that they can focus on the generation of the sales and can also focus more on the services or other responsibilities. So, this is also about that what exactly CRM system does, right? CRM is primarily an organization tool which focuses on tracking and recording all the customer interaction and including all the opportunities. The main focus of CRM is to sales and focuses to how we can do better doing the sales and marketing by using service. Now, CRM tool and service now is simply a tool that helps organize all the interaction with the service now with the customers, right, in a single platform. So if you talk about ServiceNow has all the features, which has CSM, which has S2P. Now we have also used CRM in it, right? So now we can say that ServiceNow is a combination of selling plus buying features, right? So CRM is nothing, it's just how we can sell our services by using ServiceNow. How we can make easier the business to manage all the customer relationship and identify the area for improvement in the customer experience. And it can also support teamwork by allowing employees to access and update customer information. I talk about what doesn't a CRM system do. So CRM, as we talked about, that it also helps us to focus on sales and marketing. CRM system is not one-stop solution in service now. It does not handle the backend operations. So basically, it handles the front-end operation wherein we can focus on the sales and marketing, but the backend operations we have CSM. So along with CRM, we also need a CSM in order to backend, in order to automate all the backend operations like inventory management, shipping logistics, engineering, and also financing account. So I can see that service now, if you have two modules, CRM and CSM, it's just the perfect combination of you can manage all sales, all the marketing related things, and you can also manage the services by using CSM application.
Hey, Shama, I
Now,
don't mean to interrupt. Can you go into presentation mode? It's really hard to see the screen.
you cannot see the screen.
Well, we can see it, but because it's in edit mode, everything is smaller. If you can go in presentation mode, it'll make it a lot easier for
Okay,
the folks
I
in
will.
the audience.
I'm
Thank you so
sorry.
much. No, that's totally fine. I didn't mean to interrupt, but I wanted to make sure that you had the people could see and everything else.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. Okay, so this is all about the CRM and the CSM combination.
You're still in edit mode though. Are you sharing a different screen?
One second. Let me go back. I'm sharing the same screen there. Let me just go back to my screen. Can you see it now?
I just see the editable PowerPoint that you have up. There you go. Well, that's better, I guess. That's not editable. It's still the full thing. But all right, I'll pop down. Didn't mean to interrupt your session there, Shama. Please continue.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'll just go once again. Okay. I'm sharing my presentation now. I hope you can see it. So yeah, it's from CRM and CSM. Let's move out. What is the key difference between S2P and CRM? So S2P is basically a sourcing to procurement operation. This service now streamline the entire procurement, or I can say the buying operation service now. From initially raising a request in order to buy anything, right, by using service now S2P process, and we can automate all the tasks, connect all the various systems, and we can help organizations manage the overall life cycle of buying goods and services in service now. So this is the major difference between SPO when I say sourcing to procurement operation, and S2P is source to procurement. So SPO is about managing the buy side of business, right? And CRM is about managing the sales and service side of the business. So this is the basic difference. If we club S2P and CRM together, we can make sure that by using ServiceNow, we can actually automate all the process of buying. Plus, we can also automate all the process of sales and marketing. So S2P is introduced by ServiceNow in order to make sure that we can, manage the overall life cycle of buying any kind of goods and services. I'll give you one live example. So let's say that I have to raise a request. I want to have a broadband services to one location, right? I can raise that request, which is called as sourcing request in ServiceNow, and then I can actually, after I have a sourcing request, I want these many information, these many broadband services at this location. I have to fulfill that service. How will I do that? I will go ahead and make sure I'll follow the overall S2P process, which is sourcing to procurement. Once I have the sourcing, that means I have the requirements with me. I have to fulfill that. I have to actually send all that requirements to my vendors. So I can use the sourcing to procurement operations. I can allow my vendors to see that requirements by sourcing request, and they can actually give me all the codes information that what exactly the codes they can provide. And then I can see all the codes by negotiations in ServiceNow, and I can make sure I can do a negotiation with all the vendors. I can make sure that I select the least bit codes in ServiceNow, and then I can go ahead and award that supplier so that I can make sure that by following this process, I am awarding the least bit supplier, and I can actually process the overall application. I can make sure that I can process the payment as well with the help of ServiceNow S2P operations. I think I'm on time. Just open have anything for me. Okay, just to add on that I'm always available on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on LinkedIn. I would be happy to and discuss about the S2B. Do we have any questions on the chat? Take it if you want.
Thank you, Shama.
Hello.
Thank you, Shama. I do appreciate that. I know we had some technical issues there, but I'm glad you were able to share that with us.
Thank you so much. Sis. Thanks. I'm really sorry that I could not do that complete screen share, the presentation mode, but I tried that.
That's okay. I'm gonna hop on to the next session. I appreciate your time. I hope everybody in the audience got stuff out of that as well. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you so much.
Thanks all.
Thanks a lot.